Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So as in last video I have told you the best theory books for organic chemistry. In this video I am going to tell you the best problem solving books for of organic chemistry for JEE mains and advanced and for NEET. So if you are new to this channel, please like my video, share it and subscribe for upcoming the latest video which will help you for your JEE preparation and NEET preparation. So starting to the video, the one main important thing that I missed in the last video was to make the short notes of the theory which you read. Because making short notes will help you to compress the chapter in small paper or one full skip, and it will help in the revision section also. So if you want me to make another video for how to make short notes and how to study them and what to write in short notes, I will do in, suggest me in the comments. I will make another video how to prepare the short notes. Okay, so coming to the topic of our video is the best problem solving books for organic chemistry for JEE mains and advanced. So starting from the first book is first is your coaching material. If you are go if you are going to the coaching, then you will have your coaching material also. And if your coaching material is sufficient, then is your coaching material is what I will say that is good, then you can solve it also. But in my experience with the organic chemistry coaching material was not very good, because the questions are asked very means the questions are very easy questions, that they are not as that hard of JEE mains and advanced. So I personally I solved my coaching books, but this don't help me in my JEE preparation. But if your coaching materials are good and the good problems are explained in that, then you can follow your coaching material. But I personally didn't follow my coaching material as much, because the coaching material was very easy, very easy. So let me I will show you the questions, what are the questions. And our institute college coaching teachers also said that the our college coaching material is not sufficient for organic chemistry. You should solve another books also for organic chemistry. So I will show you. The question is from organic chemistry's basic principle level 2 question, bond length order. It is very easy question. Okay, and so very easy question, stability of carbocation. So level 1 questions are asked in this book. Oh my god, level 1 questions are asked. Wait, I will show you another book. See this question, which of the following order is regarding on the size of the orbital is correct. It is level 3 questions, and our coaching material has only 3 levels and 1/4 level that multi correct and all these questions, but there are also some limited questions only. See level 4 questions you want. It is question number 2, 3, 4. Only 40 questions are asked in level 4, but that are also very easy, not that asked in our JEE mains and JEE advanced. Personally, this our coaching material is was something beginner, the beginner of problem solving, but it was not enough in to crack JEE mains also. So I shifted. So our coaching sir told us to follow 2 books. First one was organic chemistry by GRB application organic chemistry by Himanshu Pandey. Advanced problems in organic chemistry. So I don't rely on my coaching material, and I started for using Himanshu Pandey Advanced Problems in Organic Chemistry as my primary book. I solved my coaching book, but the primary book which helped me in understanding all the concept, all the reactions. Firstly, in my 12th starting, I didn't completely solve it because the questions are very much so many questions are there in this book, but I solved some of the questions. Wait, I will show you these many questions I solved. The main concept about this book is the main good thing of this book is the level of questions is in increasing order, like our increasing graph, like x square graph, that is increasing slowly. So the level of questions are also increased slowly, means the level 1 questions are very easy. And after level 1 questions, level 2 questions, the difficulty however increases. Then the level 3 becomes an advanced level questions. See, only exercise 1 questions, level 1 questions are level 1 question 30 49 questions, level 2 question. These are JEE main level, and level 2 questions are also JEE main and advanced level also. Some questions are off. Then from here only advanced level content starts. I'm showing you answer key because the question pages are very so much pages are there. So I'm showing you the answers part, which are question LinkedIn comparison type, matrix matching type, integer type problem, subjective type of problem. Subjective type problems are also there. So if your coaching material is not good, you can go this as one primary book. And if you are a NEET student, only NEET student, then you can follow this book. This book is enough for NEET student because the not advanced level questions are asked in NEET exam. So practicing this book is enough, but this book is also enough for JEE advanced also. But another one book which was told by our coaching was Advanced Problems in Organic Chemistry by MS Chauhan sir. This is very creative book. I will say it is one of the creative book, and the same pattern which is followed in the GRB is same followed, but here are only two levels, level 1 and level 2. In level 1 all single correct questions are there, all, and in level 2 the different types of questions which are the advanced pattern questions are there. GE advanced pattern questions are there in level 2. This book I also solved this book. If you are aiming only for IITs, then you can solve these books. But only one thing, the books, the main fault of this book, or we can say it is not a fault, but it is a difference that make it different from the other books, is that the level of questions are on level 2. Level 2 means the level of questions are moderate to hard level questions are there. So the book is not like Himanshu Pandey that slowly level is increasing. From first the level is increased. So if you are able to do organic chemistry very neatly, and you are able to do Himanshu Pandey very easily, then you should go for this book also, because this book will help in you to solve the various mechanism based problems and all this and all kinds of different problems, because in this book the difficulty level is slightly greater than Himanshu Pandey. So this book is also helpful. And another one thing, you are getting a solution manual with this book, in which all solutions and some reasons are also explained. So you can use this book only for JEE students, not for NEET students. If NEET students, you have, if you want to solve it, then you can solve, but it is not necessary, because the level of questions are very high, and you need to know not this level of questions are not asked. Himanshu Pandey is enough for your NEET preparation. For about JEE, you can solve organic chemistry, Himanshu Pandey and MS Chauhan both. But I will suggest you, if your coaching material is well and good, means it is of level of MS Chauhan book, it is of on the level of MS Chauhan, then means the questions of in your coaching material are the level of MS Chauhan, then you use only your coaching material and Himanshu Pandey book. Don't go for this book if your coaching material is well enough. But if your coaching material is not well enough, then you can go for Himanshu Pandey and MS Chauhan book. Himanshu Pandey is a must book that you should have, but in coaching material and MS Chauhan you should segregate, because you can't solve all the three books at a time. So you should do only two books. But my teachers told me do only one book perfectly, but for building your confidence, for building your understanding, for building your some concept, you first you do the Himanshu Pandey book, because some problems are very easy and some problems are easy, and that will build your concept, that help you to revise your concept, that will help you to understand the reactions. And then you can go for your MS Chauhan book for advanced level problems. Advanced level problems are asked in this book. And so the link of these two books are in the description. If you want me to give the short notes, practical, how to prepare the short notes and how to write short notes, how to revise them, then comment me in the video, as I told you in the beginning of the video. So this was the end of the today's topic. I will next see you in the another video. So if you are new to my channel, like my video, share it and subscribe. And if you want me to make the video on some another topics, you can suggest me in the comment section. So like my video, share it and subscribe to my channel, because this video